Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I'm about to discuss this topic called legal DD or legal due diligence. This particular topic is a very important topic in the paper Secretarial Audit, Due Diligence and Compliance Management. So even before I dive in and explain you this concept, let me remind you that we're trying to conduct a video classes for this particular paper, and if at all you're interested, please express your interest by the way of filling the Google form and tell us that you're interested and about to participate in this class. Hoping to see all of you in my class. So let's go ahead and understand the meaning of legal DD. So what is the meaning of legal DD? The legal DD can be divided into two segments. First is the data collection, then is the risk analysis. What happens in the data collection stage? The collection of the data is being made of the target company, especially the legal matters are collected. Second stage, out of the collected data, an analysis of that particular collected data is being made, and the outcome results into two things. What is that? One, the complete insight of the company is being given, and the second is the legal risk involved in the transaction, or for that matter, a target company is being given out. So what did we understand? The two important things is data collection and then the risk analysis. Now let's go ahead and understand the process or a flow of legal DD. So let's deep dive and understand the process flow of legal DD. The first and foremost is the understanding the scope of the legal DD, because this is very important in order to come up with the end result. Based on the scope defined, checklist and questionnaires are prepared, and this step or a stage is very important because based on this checklist or questionnaires only, we will be able to collect the data from the target company. What did we understand? The scope is defined, checklist and questionnaires are prepared. Next, based on the checklist and questionnaire, data is collected and this particular data is analyzed. And out of the data which is analyzed, the risk is identified. Various risks are identified. So, scope is defined, checklist and questionnaires are prepared, data is analyzed and risks are identified. The last thing is working out of the deal consideration. So based on the risk analyzed or based on the risk identified, we as a prospective buyer company go to the target company and say that, hey, these are the risks involved and this is the probable risk that I'm actually seeing in a transaction. So I want to work out the deal consideration. And based on the mutual consent between the parties, the deal consideration is worked out. And finally, a deal consideration amount is being given out. Hope you're clear about the flow of legal DD. Let's do a little recap here. So the first and foremost, what we understood the meaning of legal DD, we understood the segments which is involved in the legal DD, and lastly, the process or a flow which is involved in the legal DD. I'm hoping that by watching this video, you're clear about the legal DD concept. And if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and tell us your thoughts in the comment section. And also, let me remind you again that we're conducting a video classes on this paper, Secretarial Audit, Due Diligence and Compliance Management. If you want to attend this class, please express your interest by the way of filling the Google form and let us know that you want to participate in this.